Hello and welcome to our presentation on how we regulated a risk register using Python, AI, and the Power Platforms. We are Team Blueberry. Me currently speaking, I am Olu. To the right of me is Rakesh, to the left of me is Arindam. Below Arindam is Gurav. In the middle we have Madhumita, and in the bottom right we have Jitandra. Our core problem was on ineffective risk registers. Now, risk registers are intended to be the backbone of project risk management, but they often become outdated, lack quality, or fail to drive action. Stick around to find out how we combated these statements. There were multiple pain points with our challenge and with our data. We looked at all of these pain points and grouped them into three areas: data quality and integrity, process and workflow inefficiency, and finally, stakeholder engagement and visibility. We were given multiple personas that we had to satisfy, and we were also given the requirement of creating a persona. In our case, we created James Carter, a 38-year-old senior risk analyst at a multinational engineering firm. There are a multitude of benefits to our approach to refining the risk registry. We ensure accurate, complete, and high-quality data. We reduce instances of human error. We send proactive reminders and insights to relevant stakeholders, encouraging timely action, amongst many other positive. Sample slide for the raw data and how we use CutVac to specialize and understand it. This slide, we have our Python script where we leverage CutVac for data cleansing.
So this is a sample script which we use to train our data model using a clean data set. The script generates the recommendation to be a recommendation file in a text file format so that it can be sent as an email using Power Automate. This is the same continuation of automation recommendation feed creation, which would generate a .txt file, again being sent to business. Feeds are generated by Python program, then Power Automate takes those email to send an automated email to the business stakeholders. It just uses a trigger condition. If there is any file available, then it generates an email trigger. Power App screen, which is available for business personas to capture their user input based on the recommendation email that is being sent. User input screen for mitigation data. Data is sent, updated by business. It is then captured as raw data, and then the feedback loop continues. So what we see here is a sample front end created for different personas. This is a risk persona. This is a file for risk register regulators at portfolio persona level. For project manager persona, we have different options to slice by project IDs to analyze data for the risk owner persona. Front end for the risk analyst persona, we can actually see a trend being put on the screen as well.